I may need assistance when we go to set this engine in, which is going to be pretty much the first thing. But we could do intro, and then you can set up, and then I'll get the engine over here. I might just need the hand fitting it in.
A, I'm already filming, and B, I'm only the camera guy.
Well, whatever. You're helping today.
Oh, geez. Here we go. Welcome back to the channel. It's late April here, and that means it's race season. And what are we building today?
We got a 24 YFZR450
race quad.
Race quad built for MX. Got done with the engine not too long ago, and now it's time to assemble.
Right, so if you've been watching the channel, we did a full build on that beautiful 450 sitting over. What would you say? We gained 12 to 15 horsepower from stock, you think?
Yeah, probably at least, yeah.
So it's a little hopped up, ready to go in. And right now you've got a lot of the little things on there, but main thing it needs is the engine.
Yeah, we're gonna do engine first, and then swing arm, subframe, rear shock.
Yeah, let's shut the hell up and go. Just go.
It's like my old lady, just do your thing.
Just do your thing, man.
Linkages all tight, shock, frame that. Okay, let's go on to the subframe. This grinds into there, the rotor's into that bracket. So you always have to remember to put that spacer in there. we're almost there. Walsh did a fantastic job as far as we got the box. It was like really packed in there nice. And like I haven't seen it like that before. It was really, really good job. But there's no instructions. And so fine, if you don't want to put instructions in the box, okay. On the website, it's very basic. And I don't recall some of this stuff. And, you know, they need to, I would think, you know, a little update there would be great.
Pow.
Because I know that the clutch cable comes into here.
Runs with it.
No, I don't know if it runs with it, but I know the clutch cable comes into there and down.
So how many hand jobs did this cost?
I don't know. I wasn't the one giving them.
You received a hand job for this. Dang, that's nice.
It's something.
Now, look at the lever. Like no fancy custom aluminum job. What you got there? You got something long and black?
This is a custom harness I built. This one's for KTM throttle body, but it's keyless, so there's no key, there's no dash. The Vortex now replaces where your indicator panel went. Made this bracket so it pushes into your indicator panel. So it gets rid of the Vortex from the very back or in the air filter housing and brings everything to the front.
The wiring harness is almost buttoned up. You still have to do the gas tank, battery, air filter.
Yeah, there's some things to...
We should leave the viewer in suspense for now.
In suspense, yeah.
All right. Well, we're going to make this part 1 of part 2, a 2-part build series. At the end of part 2, Mario has promised us a backflip into a pool. We just need to find a pool, and he will do that.
And find somebody to do the backflip.
It's either that or you're going to balance on the ball like that bear at the circus.
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
All right. So then it's backflipping into a pool on this ATV. Stick around. It's going to be great. We did a lot. Engine's in, swing arms on, axles in, front end, which isn't complete because he's got to take it over to the alignment table.
Alignment, plastics, graphics.
And you want me to help with the stickers. I like stickers, especially those scratch and sniff ones. Those were a lot of fun as a kid. All right, everybody, thanks for watching. This was the Yamaha YFZR450, and it's a 24, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we screwed up on the engine build, but you guys already saw the series building the engine up. Now it's time to see the quad. Appreciate you watching. Hit that like and subscribe button. Wave goodbye to Mario.